Imagine standing at the beach, looking out at the ocean, but instead of clear blue water, you see plastic bottles, bags, and trash drifting by. This isn't just somewhere far away. It's happening right now, all over the world. Every minute, a garbage truck's worth of plastic enters our oceans. Most ocean plastic doesn't start in the ocean at all. Around 80% of it comes from the land. Litter on streets, trash blowing out of landfills, plastic dropped near rivers, all of it eventually washes into the sea. The other 20% comes from the ocean itself, mostly from fishing nets, gear, and lost equipment. Right now, scientists estimate there are over 150 million tons of plastic floating in the ocean. And every single year, another 8 to 12 million tons flow in. That's like dumping a full school bus of plastic into the ocean every single hour. Plastic doesn't just look bad, it's deadly. Animals can get tangled in plastic lines or nets and drown. Others, like sea turtles, mistake plastic bags for jellyfish and eat them. Once plastic enters an animal's stomach, it can block digestion or release toxic chemical. Plastic doesn't just stay in the ocean. It moves up the food chain. Fish eat microplastics, then bigger fish eat them, and eventually we eat those fish. Scientists have found microplastics in seafood, table salt, and even bottled water. That means this problem affects everyone, not just ocean animals. The good news, solutions exist, and we can help. These steps actually make a difference. Use reusable bottles, bags, and straws. Recycle properly, clean and sorted. Choose products with less packaging. Avoid fast fashion, which sheds microplastics. Support laws that reduce single-use plastics. Join local cleanup events. Here is a graph showing the sources of plastic in the ocean. Plastics don't stay intact, over time they fragment into microplastics, sink, or get buried, so what's floating is only a fraction. Measurement methods vary widely: surface trawls, deep-sea sampling, modeling, estimates from mismanaged waste, etc., so different studies get different results. To understand how serious this problem is, let's follow just one piece of plastic, a regular water bottle. Imagine someone drops it on the ground near a store. Rain pushes it into a storm drain, and that drain connects to a river. The river carries it for miles until it reaches the ocean. That whole trip can happen in a single day. Once it's in the ocean, the bottle doesn't disappear. Sunlight weakens it, waves break it apart, and eventually it becomes thousands of microplastic pieces. Each piece may look small, but together they create a long-lasting impact. A single bottle can harm ocean life for over 400 years. Microplastics are especially dangerous because they enter the food chain. Tiny plankton eat them by accident. Then small fish eat the plankton. Bigger fish eat those fish, and eventually humans eat the bigger fish. Scientists have now found microplastics in shrimp, mussels, tuna, and even in the bodies of unborn babies. This means the plastic pollution we create doesn't stay in the ocean, it comes back to us. Thankfully, many groups around the world are building new technologies to fight ocean plastic. One example is river barriers, large systems that catch plastic before it reaches the sea. Another is cleanup vessels that sweep the water surface and collect debris. The ocean isn't just water, it's the heart of our planet. If we protect it today, we protect every generation that comes after us.